Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
Hi everyone, Sue here at 1A Auto, and today on our 03 Tundra we're going to show you how to check your brake fluid at the master cylinder. If you need any parts for your car, click on the link below and head on over to 1aauto.com. Hood release on this Tundra is located on the driver's side, right at the knee panel. Has a picture of the hood. Pull on the cable. So the safety latch is located to the left of the cymbal. You'll feel the lever right there. You push up on it. Lift your hood up. So the brake master is located in front of the driver's seat. You've got your brake booster and the reservoir. And the cap is just on this Toyota, is just pull up on it. There's no twisting and locking. As always, every brake master will have the actual type of fluid, .3. Some will say 4, newer ones can say up to 5. But check your cap before replacing the fluid. There's a nice measurement on the side of the reservoir. It says max and low, minimal.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1aauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.